What's good with it? It's your boy Riko310. I am back with another one. Today I will be discussing digital DreamScape VST, and we're going to be talking about the sounds in there. First, I'm going to start off with the bells, and then we'll move along and go along and let you guys for this. And this is for anyone who is thinking about purchasing digital DreamScape VST as one of their plugins, sound plugins. Okay, so here we go. These are the bells, and then I already put in a chord, and we're just going to go through it and play it. And we're just going to go through a few of them and let you guys hear them. This might be something you're interested in, might be something that you're not interested in. But we're just going to give you the sounds to let you hear what they sound like. And we're just going to let you guys hear the first 5 from each. Now we're in the pads. And this might be something that you're interested in or you want to purchase. Now we're going to be going into the strings.